Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your screen on the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to join or start a Teams meeting. Look for the Meet option in the upper right corner and tap on it. This will take you to the meeting interface where you can begin or enter a session. Next, tap Start Meeting to initiate a new meeting session. This creates a virtual space where you can collaborate with others and share your content in real time. After starting the meeting, you'll see a Join Now button. Go ahead and tap on it to officially enter the meeting room. This step connects you to the session and activates your meeting features. Now with your meeting active, tap the three dots at the bottom of your screen. This will open up a menu with various meeting controls and options that let you manage different aspects of your session. From this menu, tap Share. This option gives you access to all the sharing features available during your Teams meeting. In the sharing menu, tap Share Screen. This is the key feature that allows you to broadcast what's on your device to other meeting participants, making it perfect for presentations or collaboration. You'll then see a drop-down menu appear with different sharing options. Here you can select whether you want to share one specific app or share your entire screen. Each option serves different purposes depending on what you need to present. For instance, tap Share Entire Screen if you want participants to see everything on your device. This gives you maximum flexibility to switch between apps and show different content during your presentation. After making your selection, tap Share Screen once more to confirm and begin broadcasting. Keep in mind that when you share your screen, everything displayed on your phone can potentially be visible to participants, including notifications. This means any incoming messages, alerts, or personal information that pops up will be seen by everyone in the meeting, so it's a good idea to enable Do Not Disturb mode beforehand or be mindful of what's on your screen. Once you're finished presenting and ready to stop broadcasting your screen, simply tap Stop Sharing at the bottom of your screen. This immediately ends the screen share and returns you to the normal meeting view. And that's all there is to it. You've now shared your screen successfully on Microsoft Teams Mobile, giving you the ability to present and collaborate from anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.